This is the Boeing one-day reading for July 17th, 2024. It's currently June 12th, 2024, 11:37 a.m. Eastern Time. Boeing at the time of this reading is $183.63. That's USD. The shuffle video for the July 17th reading was created on May 24th, 2024 at 2:39 p.m. Eastern Time. That's a video playing for you in the lower left corner. The overall theme of behavior for Boeing on the 17th, we have 3 pokes through the same trend line, followed by a sharp drop off of the 3rd poke. Behavior around the high side, we have a failed attempt to break through previously established resistance, followed by a decline through key support. Behavior around the low side, we have an important price level on a 1-month scale minimum that's highlighted, and we rally off that price level and then return back to it at some point. So we probably see the low at least twice, and I'm advised to trade around a sharp drop on a multi-day scale, either that or bearish price swings that will stand out on a multi-day scale. Now I'm going to get into the hour-by-hour chart behavior as well as timing the highs, the lows, and the best trade opportunities. But before I do that, I just want to make sure you're aware. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, and 5% of the profits from every profitable trade utilizing this information should be donated forward to one of these charities, or pick a charity of your choosing as long as you're paying 5% forward, and then 5% should be sent back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use Wise or you can use YouTube tips, and that leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you follow the rule of karma for the channel, the universe considers you an angel investor. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it. In the pre-market, we have a sideways rotation and a big move higher. That move higher continues into right around the open where we reach for a distant resistance, we break through key resistance in the first half hour, we stay above it briefly, creating a high around 10 o'clock, and then we break back down through it shortly thereafter with a full retracement. That takes us into a low. Out of the low, we have an unexpected move higher. There's either another high there, or I don't think there's another high there. I think it's more just an unexpected move higher, but then that turns over into a notably sharp decline between 11 and 12, and there's a trade opportunity I'll talk about in more detail in the paid version. Between roughly 12 and 1, we have sideways rotation that then between roughly 1 and 2 turns into a sideways fluctuating rally that precedes a sharp decline taking place right around 2 o'clock, and then there's a big move higher between roughly 2 and 3, followed by another significant decline into a day's low in the last hour, and then right around the close out of that low, there's a big move to the upside, but I'm pretty sure we end near lows. Sneak preview for the following day is a prominent move higher, full retracement. And that's Boeing for July 17th, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go, you know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay tuned if you got the paid version. We're going to get into the best trades momentarily.